ayan guys, ang una po nating gagawin ay i-mince po natin yung ating garlic. So, ayan guys, tapos na po natin i-mince yung ating garlic. So, next naman po natin yung ating onion. So, mince din po natin siya. Same lang po ng ating garlic. So, balatan lang po natin saglit and i-mince na po natin. Tara guys! And then guys, tapos na din po natin siya. So, next naman natin yung ating carrots. So, we have 2 carrots. I-kill muna natin siya and then i-chop po natin siya ng cubes. Now, let's start chop the carrots in cubes. So, ayan guys, patapos naman na po natin i-chop yung ating carrots. So, ay papakita ko na po sa inyo yung lahat po ng ingredients na kailangan po natin sa ating vegan pasta. This is the ingredients for our vegan pasta. So, we have onion, carrots, garlic, olive oil and vegetable cubes and pasta and black lentils and Italian seasoning, parsley and stewed tomatoes and salt and black peppers. Ayan po guys, and we have kale and Parmesan cheese and tomato paste. So this is the ingredients of our recipe for today, vegan pasta. So, hi mga kakaka. So, ayan, start cooking na po tayo and nakalimutan ko itong i-video kanina before ako mag-start. So, meron na po dating oil yung ating kaldero, inaantay lang po natin siyang uminit bago po natin ilagay yung ating onion. So, ayan, I think na-init na siya. So, ilalagay na po natin yung onion. So, i-stir fry lang po natin siya. Then, i-next po natin yung ating carrots. And the last one is yung garlic. And I think pwede na po natin i-add yung ating carrots. So, let's add and keep stirring po. So, para po hindi po masunog yung ating carrots and onion. So, just keep stirring and then followed by the garlic. So, let's add the garlic in a few minutes. And now, I think pwede na nating i-add yung ating garlic. So, let's add and keep stirring. Now this is the carrots, garlic and onion. So I just keep stirring, and then maybe in a few minutes I will add some water. Now I think pwede na siyang lagyan ng water. So let's put some water. So I think I need add some water. So let's put some water again. And now let's add the vegetable cubes inside. Then just keep stirring, and then wait until the vegetable cubes will melting inside. And let's wait until the water is boiling, and then let's add the black lentils inside. And now it's boiling, so I think it's ready to add the black lentils, followed by the pasta and the dry ingredients, the dry ingredients, the Italian seasoning and parsley. So let's add it. So I put it in a small bowl together, and let's add also the stew tomatoes. And after that, so let's mix it. One more thing, mga kakaka, if you don't have vegetable cubes, you can use chicken powder or broth. So just for taste in the pasta and lentils. So well done. We mix it all together, all the ingredients. So we need to cook in 25 minutes. So we need to cover first and put in a low fire. So we need to cook in a slow-mo cooking. So let's so guys. Now let's check and add the tomato paste. And we need to mix it again, the tomato paste inside. So let's mix it. And now I think the tomato paste is mixed it well already, so we need to cover again.
A few moments later.
Let's check the pasta and lentils. So I think we need to add some water, so let's add it. And some of dried parsley again, so let's add more and mix it. And we need to cover again, so let's cover again.
A few moments later.
Think the pasta and lentils is ready, so we need to put the kale inside. So let's put it and let's cook like in 3 minutes until the kale is ready. So just mix it first. Put it inside the kale. Mix it again. And now the pasta and lentils and kale is ready. So let's serve it. So ready to eat the pasta. So let's go, mga kakaka. Let's put on the plate and serve it with cheese on top.
A few moments later.
And now this is the pasta. So I hope you will like this video. Please comment below and share, and don't forget to like. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and the button so you get notification to my new videos. And see you on my next video. Bye bye everyone. Thank you very much for watching. God bless.